Hello, everybody. So, what do you guys and gals know about particle size and the health risk of it? Well, we're over here looking at an air filter video, and they're showing a study. This little thing I'm pointing at is called ambient particle matter. Ambient particle matter is a huge health risk worldwide. That's why so many people buy air filters. You might have noticed in some of my previous videos, I showed everybody some Amazon reviews where people have lots of dogs in their house and they constantly have infections or like rashes on their skin, and then they buy air filters and many of their bronchial problems and other problems go away. It's because those ambient particles from the pet dander is getting on their epithelium layer inside of their lungs, in their organs, and everywhere else. It can even go through your blood-brain barrier and get into your brain. If you want to know more about this, there's plenty of studies. Here's a study we're looking at. I did a keyword search for epithelium. Your epithelium layer, that's the single cell layer on your body, your mucous membranes, inside of your nose, your esophagus, your bowels, all of those parts of your body that can absorb things. That's what this affects. And this study will be in the description, and it explains why air pollution, aka particle matter, is not good for us. 9 out of 10 people breathe air that does not meet World Health Organization pollution limits. And so, what is a huge cause of all this particulate matter? Pet dander. Pet dander can be zero point 0.1 microns, which is way too small. This is one of the most dangerous particulate matter sizes because it can get into your lungs, into your blood. It can cross the blood-brain barrier, and inside of pet dander are all types of things that are not good for you. Pet dander is a known allergen and asthma trigger. It can be found everywhere: floors, carpets, walls, furniture, bedding, ceilings. And of course, on the bodies of people that serve your food, people that fold your clothes, people that bring out your grocery order at Walmart, Fred Meyer, and all of those other stores. Dogs are ridiculously prevalent in our modern society right now. You know, a dog owner is full of this in their mouth, their nose, their ears, their eyes. And it's bad for you. It's terribly bad for you. So these ultra fine particles, they can get into all of these organs. This website that I'm looking at right now is an advertisement for air filters, but all of this information has already been tested and proven. So this isn't just a bunch of trickery to get you to buy air filters. This stuff is actually really bad for you. They even mention viruses. So these viruses are smaller than pet dander. They can hook onto pet dander, and then pet dander can deliver them into your lungs. There's been studies that show extra CO2 inside of a closed environment also helps with the virus living longer and transmitting. They do this in classrooms where the CO2 levels are elevated. So think about that. You got dogs in your house breathing CO2 and filling your house with pet dander. These little tiny things, the virus, when it encounters a piece of pet dander, the pet dander is actually larger. The pet dander is like a little air mattress for the virus, like in size comparison. So yeah, if this virus can be attached to a piece of pet dander and live for an extra moment or two as you breathe it in from the moisture and other stuff off that pet dander, then yeah, pet dander can carry this into your lungs. Look up groomer's lung. I got a few videos on it. This can really explain a lot of the damaging effects that groomer's lung sufferers have, because they breathe in these particles, every day at their job. And it's not just the dander off of the pets. The dander contains other stuff that is slightly smaller than dander. Like whatever bacteria is on your dog, there's enough room on a little tiny micron-sized piece of pet dander to carry a whole bunch of these bacteria and viruses. So this is just like a delivery system for nastiness into your lungs, your epithelium layer, your eyes, your ears. And studies even show that this stuff can get past your blood-brain barrier because it irritates the blood-brain barrier and then ends up getting through it. So your pet dander is delivering this type of stuff all over your body. And you, as a dog owner, going around with that stuff all over you, bringing your dogs into classrooms and hospitals, increasing the amount of particulate matter in any type of medical environment. Like, how do we even allow that? So that's been a quick look at some information about particle size and why it matters, and how dog ownership can be a huge, huge delivery system for this particle matter. See you guys in the next one.